Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Roam research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. Today, we're diving into Octiive, a web-based application found at https://octobrive.com. This platform presents itself as a comprehensive solution for managing various aspects of personal knowledge management, encompassing note-taking, task management, and habit tracking. Essentially, it aims to be a central hub for organizing your digital life. From my experience, Octiive offers a visually appealing interface with a clean and intuitive design. The core functionality revolves around creating and organizing notes, which can be linked together to form a network of interconnected ideas. This interconnectedness facilitates exploring concepts and discovering relationships between different pieces of information, a feature reminiscent of other popular note-taking applications like Roam Research or Obsidian. Beyond basic note-taking, Octiive provides tools for managing tasks and tracking habits. You can create to-do lists, set deadlines, and monitor your progress on various goals. The habit tracking feature allows you to define specific habits you want to cultivate and then log your daily progress. This integration of task management and habit tracking within the note-taking environment can be quite powerful for those seeking a unified platform for personal productivity. However, it's important to acknowledge that Octiive is a relatively new player in this space. While the core features are functional and well-designed, there's still room for growth and refinement. During my use, I noticed some areas where the application could benefit from further development, particularly in terms of advanced features and customization options. For example, the querying and filtering capabilities are not as robust as those found in more established tools. Overall, Octiive shows promise as a versatile tool for personal knowledge management. Its clean interface, interconnected note-taking capabilities, and integrated task and habit tracking features make it a compelling option for those looking to streamline their digital lives. If you're in the market for a new PKM solution, it's definitely worth checking out. Just be aware that, as a newer platform, it may not have all the bells and whistles of some of the more established competitors. Remember to check out the link in the description and let me know your thoughts on Octiive in the comments below.